Hi, my name is Unique from Millie and Will. I'm here to do the
personal swap
from
Sensuous One.
From Sensuous One to me. It says I would like to thank you for the chance to do a personal swap with Unique. Have a blessed day. This is Sensuous One. The first mix that she made is called Disco Ball. Okay.
Yeah, but you know this camera's acting up again. There you go. I'm turning sideways so the light can hit it.
Disco Ball. And it has some purple flowers.
Go to the next one.
Next one is called Uno. The game. It has some multicolor stars.
What is it called?
Uno.
No, the next one.
Ah. Kiwi Sandstorm.
It's a bright neon green.
It has some red hearts.
Yeah, but that's it.
I mean, not hearts.
Stars.
It's called Love
Knots.
And it has some pink flowers. This one is called Lemon Sandstorm. It's beautiful. It has some green stars.
Oh, we gotta find out how to make these videos. We all over the place.
And at the bottom it says,
"This is a gift for Unique."
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies.
Yeah. And then she put some stickers for me.
For her nails.
Yeah. Nails. And this is it for this. I'm going to show you the mix that I created last night. It has red, purple, blue, yellow, orange, and some gold tinsel.
That's all you gotta say?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. See you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.